In front of me is Nothing Phone 4A, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down to tap on About Phone. Now click on device name here and type in whatever you wish to. Wednesday. When you're ready, hit OK in the pop-up and confirm your choice in the second one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!